Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas to you and Happy New Year in advance. This is Tinuola right here, and today's video we're going to be doing a Christmas dish. Today's video is inspired by some of my favorite restaurants and recipes to eat from these restaurants. As you all know, we are currently on Christmas lockdown, so I've decided to make a different kind of recipe, and this is mostly appetizer, by the way. We're going to be making seafood appetizers. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Two recipes that we'll be making are calamari and coconut shrimps. I know you're gonna love it, and I've been able to hack the recipe, so it's gonna be really nice. By the way, how are you celebrating Christmas? What part of the world are you from? Let me know down below, and let me know how you're celebrating Christmas. Are you also on lockdown? Are you able to hang out? You know, whatever it is that you are doing for Christmas, let me know down in the comment box below. And if you made something special or something new for Christmas, let me know down in the comment box below. Maybe I'll be able to try out your recipe too. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. This is Tinuola, and on this platform I mostly share content on hair, beauty and healthy lifestyle, so feel free to subscribe down below to join the channel and hit the notification bell beside it. That way you guys get more content from me every single time I release a new video, which is like every week. We're starting off first with our squid. It's already frozen. I got it like this from the store, and I'm going to thaw it and soak it in a buttermilk. So for your buttermilk, you're going to need just milk and vinegar, pure white vinegar. Alright guys, so this is 5 minutes after leaving this to form well. As you guys can see, look at the consistency. Can you see that? Yeah, so we have our buttermilk. Super easy guys, super easy. So now we're going to add in the we're going to mix that so that it soaks well in the buttermilk, because that's what we want. So mix that well. So now we're going to put it in the fridge, but we're going to cover it. I'll be using this reusable cover here. This one is so nice. Like, look at how cute it looks. This comes really handy when you don't want to use the cling film and you know you misplace your covers. It comes very handy. So you just put it over it like this, and you can always adjust. It comes in different shapes and sizes, so you can always have something to cover your container. And look at that, it's microwave safe, and you're saving the planet by using this because you're reducing the plastic in the ocean. So yep, there you go, eco-friendly. Yeah, I told you guys these plastics are really good. I'm going to show you guys one cool thing right here. So I'm going to grab a cup of water, lemon juice, and just open it up, pour it right in, like, let's just say half of the cup. Take your honey, pour the honey right in like so. That's enough. That's enough. Now you want to grab your cover. I'm using this small size for cups. See how well it fits, just like so. Okay. So I have the lemon and honey, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to shake it out. Okay, look at this guys. Just take a look at this. This is so cool. Like, I could do this all day long. So now we have our lemon drink, and you can add a little bit of water just to dilute it, and add your ice cubes. This is a cool way of taking vitamin C. So we're going to wait for our squid in the fridge and to soak for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to start preparing our coconut shrimps. Alright guys, so for our coconut shrimps, you're going to need shrimps. It's good to use the larger sizes if you can get that, or medium size, whichever one you can get. You're going to need 3 bowls to mix your shrimps. You're going to need coconut sugar, or you can use any sugar, but I really like using this coconut sugar. Just a little bit of salt, smoked paprika. You can sprinkle some nutmeg if you want, if not, it's not compulsory. Egg, shredded coconut, and flour, all-purpose flour. That's what it looks like. So I'm just going to remove the shell from these shrimps. So the next thing is to add our flour. So for the flour, I don't have a particular measurement in mind. Let's just say 1 cup. And just a pinch of salt here. Now I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. You don't need to do this, especially if you already have a special sauce that you're going to eat the shrimps with. But I do like to add a little bit of Maggi. Maggi is something I use in almost all my food. And add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Give it a little bit. Okay. Now the next thing, guys, is to start adding all the ingredients. I'm done with the shrimps. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like later on, but let's fry the calamari and I'll show you guys the results. So remember, we had the calamari in the fridge inside the buttermilk. We're going to take it out, but this time around we're going to add just flour, all-purpose flour, like half a cup. Don't mind me, I'm in bits. I'm usually like this in the kitchen. So we're going to add like 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add that right there. I'm going to refill the oil because it's almost, I have some of it drained out, so I'm going to refill it. Now we're going to add salt, pepper. You know what, let me just show you guys. So as usual, we're going to add salt, pepper, salt. I've already added like a tablespoon, a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, like a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add nutmeg as usual. I love to add nutmeg. We're going to add paprika as usual, smoked paprika, and then we're going to add a little bit of pepper, powdered pepper. I'm going to be using this pepper. It's the red powdered pepper, just a little. Now that's all you need to add, but because I really do love Maggi in my food, I'm going to add just a little bit of Maggi seasoning, Maggi cube. Now you don't need to add Maggi cube, but I'm doing that because I like the taste. And you just mix all that together. I'm also going to add a little bit of baking powder. Like I said, I like to add baking powder, just pinch. Mix all that together. Now we're going to put the oil on. We're going to make sure the oil is getting hot. So now we're going to add in the squid into that mixture. Alright guys, so I just finished frying the coconut shrimps and the calamari is ready too, and I already prepared my efo, which I'm going to also eat as Christmas food, and chicken and rice, white rice. Now I'm gonna make a drink right now. The inspiration for this drink is from pina colada, which is one of my favorite drinks in the world to take, but there's not going to be a white rum, so there's no alcohol in this one that I'm preparing. So it's more of a smoothie since there's no alcohol in it. So I'm going to show you guys what I'll be using and how I'll be making it. Just put the ingredients together and blend it. I'll show you guys the final result of what Christmas food looks like. Okay guys, so some of the ingredients I'll be using are pineapple, frozen pineapple, some ice cubes, lemon juice, and cream of coconut. Alright guys, so we are done with our food and this is what it looks like. I told you, it looks so good. So this is the calamari. Let me start from here. This is the calamari fried. It looks good, golden brown, perfect color. And this is our shrimps. Oh my gosh, this tastes so nice. Like, this is actually my favorite. some of them are a bit burnt, it's too brown. If you don't want it that brown, it's best for you to fry it, and it should look like something like this, golden brown or something like this. This is ideal, but it shouldn't be too dark, shouldn't be burnt. And I'm taking it with barbecue sauce and blue cheese cream. Also, I'm taking rice, and I'll be eating the rice with this vegetable soup and chicken, and I still have some chicken left over here. And we have our drink, okay, our pina colada imitate. Look at that, that looks so good. Look at that, that looks so good. So we have that, and it tastes amazing, guys. Like, the coconut cream tastes so good with it. Like, it's not too sweet, but it's sweet, you know. It's just perfect taste. It's perfect taste and perfect texture. Hey my loves, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you try out some of this recipe. If you're frying the shrimps and the calamari, the most important thing is the temperature of the oil. Once the oil is too hot or it's not hot enough, it can really change the taste and just affect the overall result that you're going to get. And yeah, I can't wait to dive into all this. I already tasted it, I already had some of it, let's just be honest. But yeah, I hope you guys do have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, and I hope you stick around, check out my next video and my other videos. And if you have any question for me based on the recipes here, or you have any video request, let me know in the comment box below. This video was actually inspired by someone that asked me for, you know, she did a video request that I should show what I ate for Christmas. So this is what I'm eating for Christmas, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.